Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our middle school math kit. Make sure to hit our subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. On the Grid is a game in which students will use order of operations to come up with equations that they will use to equal a number on the board. The first player with 4 in a row wins. They will mark their win, or their finding the equation, by just putting their initials over the number that they have captured. So you can play with 2 to 4 students. They just have to put their first initial over it. If you have students with the same first initial, you can use first and last, however you want to do it. So in this case, the students rolled these 4 10-sided dice, and they've got 9, 9, 8, and 2. So they've got to think of a way to put these numbers together to create a number on the board. Now they could do 99 minus 82 and cover up the 7. That's fine. They could do it that way. They can also come up with a more complex equation, like doing 2 times 9 plus 9 minus 8, which would get them 28, and they can cover up that one. So they can do it however they want to do it, but the other students will look to see if that equation is correct. So the other students check to make sure that they have the right equation written down and that they've marked off, then can mark off their answer. You're trying to get 4 in a row, horizontally, diagonally, or vertically, and you can combine numbers, or you can have each number be individual. So it's just however you want to put those numbers together to create an answer on the board. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.